State TB Cell Jangka National Health Mission HNM Meghalaya Mentagasi Afulai terek gubernai jelio aja apu klap pelang ya kajing ya kendulang bat kalat patai kubor bakin pen priang ya kajing tip jing shampang syakin nang shong shong kajela shpang kajing pang TB berkatong jangka sarkar India panrat tingkong sundan ya kate kajing pang hakari lakum na house nam aja apusan ha Presbyterian Church of India Lachmer Shillong ya kate ke program la pelang lawan chimbentalang da Uram Kumar SIS Mission Director jangka NHM Meghalaya ki Dr Bakintobu Dr M Mawrie ubade State TB Officer Dr J Karwanlang District Tuberculosis Officer but kiwe de ki Dr Bad ki nang shakhat sobha.
It mainly affects the upper lobes of the lungs. Of course, it can affect any parts of the body except nail and hair. So these are the signs and symptoms of TB. Coughing for 2 weeks or more, fever for 2 weeks or more, persistent fever, and weight loss, night sweating. Sometimes you may have a blocked spit in the sputum also. That is also sign and symptom of TB. Next, please. How does TB spread? It spread through the droplets nuclei, and even COVID also spread through the droplets. So what about the investigation? As soon as we get the people who are having symptoms, so now we have again introduced some important tools which are more effective and more sensitive. It was only when COVID came that TruNat was introduced everywhere. Okay, so now at present we are using both TruNat and CVNat. Okay, and in every district we have CVNat.
In fact, we have launched it. The number of our TB cases notified has suddenly increased in the last 6 weeks. Before this, we launched in the last 4 or 5 weeks. Just suddenly increased. So that has helped us importantly. And anyone, my appeal to the pharmacists and etc. Also, we are getting constant reports from pharmacists on the drugs they sell to the TB drugs they sell. Please do not sell any TB drugs without prescription or without proper government doctors or any doctor's prescription. Otherwise, it will be over the counter. It will not be in our circle, and we will not be able to track them and see whether they are curing and they are taking the full course of medicine. So that's why it's very important. My appeal to the pharmacists and others, please do not do this. Now to the public also, do not go for this. If you have symptoms like cough, fever, and loss of weight, loss of appetite, and etc., please see the doctor immediately. And it is curable. I would like to all of you to understand that there is no stigma about having a tuberculosis. As I said, I myself there is nothing of that, and you can completely live a nice life if you give treatment very early. 2025. For Meghalaya, it is quite an achievable target because we have some certain inherent advantages in which we can work with, and with that advantage, we should be able to put this forward together. Potential things go out of memory. So, in that sense, this becomes a very important program. And this pledge, which we are going to take today, I wish all of them take it very seriously, and that we can do this possible. We can make this possible in Meghalaya. It is very easy to achieve. Most of our districts are on the way to do this, and we'll be able to do it. East Kasi Hills is where we have a lot of closed communities living together. It's a very little vulnerable areas for us. We have mapped them all, and we're doing regular exercise. Thanks to COVID, in one way, it has brought for us TB also back to attention in Meghalaya. We have put now the testing facilities previously in Meghalaya used to be only at very few district hospitals, not everywhere. Today, all the community health centers in Meghalaya has TB testing facilities. We have put those machineries in all the CHCs. We have done it more than CHCs. We have more than, I think, close to 60 machines now? 65. More than 65 machines from a mere 12-13 machines. We have increased 5 times to that so that we can test quickly, because the microscopic tests will take, it's not very accurate, sometimes it takes time. We have put TruNat testing, which is more accurate, and we're trying to improve the X-rays also so that the screening is done faster. And we have also made notification of TB cases little more easy by putting a small mobile online app for the private health doctors who are finding TB people but not able to report to us, because TB is a notified disease. Now, what is a notified disease? Anyone, any private hospital or any clinic, any dispensary, anyone identifying someone with the TB should notify to the concerned district authority.
Ko ang nabibigay Dr M Mawrie, State TB Officer. Ngipelong ikari ko program ka press sensitization mo. Jingïarap doki media fraternity berkhai nomor boleh kitip hi ba mentangi apa kejing alam jong Prime Minister Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ni keri India jongi menta kedan petara jitu ban eliminate ke TV hakasnya mahajar alpusan tiban eliminate ke TV mahajar alpusan kedai ka we ke bangin haban trelang baro andai kedai ke shibon tiana ta kadaw gidan kam kejing trelang baro nadu ki bahe hadu ki barit to department of repair habju ke pol bakam kong sane kalong yaki media fraternity nama boleh kebetulan kam kalong ban ai awareness nane kejing step yaki pat ba sapang gini kejing pang TV nama kitip kejing pang TV kedai ke bala slam ba ndai hadu mentah bidang du ki min sim briu lamba kini kejing pang tina ta kadaw ni kwa kadaw hi ke kalong ba desi gibril kim pat kit ba sapang gini kejing pang ni kwa ban ai kejing ke kubur si pat ba lamba jong pi nang ba kibriu ban empower kibriu da kan knowledge pang ni kejing pang nama boleh da kibriu bi so thu ni kamot lang kam don jing kan niki nama haba kila so thu ba kumnung yo kene kejing pang ke kene kejing pang manu ba penlong kene kejing pang inle kumno lada ke kita kishin kene kejing pang bat inle kumno lada don kita kishin se ban le nang nu ban yo dawai lada kila tip dia kata kamot anlong ke ke ba jingïarap ke bakrau ha ke ba le se nginamla ban du ke men sim ba kodor lengba kini kejing pang siu kumka bailenti yaki nongpang le bat ki bahaya kata kadi jingïarap te haju ke por ke serkar minta kesedang ru ban wat yaki donors kemut kita ki nongïarap mon sung baha lada don manu ki donors ki bakwa ban wan sakmat kani ndai tang state jingimo kani kawan central government bro ki state minta ki kesedang ban wat yaki donors kala ban long individual marwai shimet kala ban long ki NGO kala ban long ki CSR kini ki social gitu ki maybe ki factories behe ki try jo ki lane ki businessman lane kilo ki shimet ki badan kamon ki badan gebor ban simti le si we ni ar nang pang le si ka sisnam haban takut treatment kila ban wan chakmat tang ba serkar kala ong clearly ba ndai ban ada ka pisa ndai tang da ki kain kamot ki jingïarap lang ba ki jingbam lane kino ki jingbam kita ban jingïarap iki kini kalong ban jingïarap syu iaitu ki briu khamtam ki badan kam ki beduk besitam namar ha jingdu trei jongki khamtam de ki ba kamai hayeng sem kanong jingïarap ka bakrau iki namar ini sanspa sibna lese kanamla ban pendap ki ka jing dan kam te ladadan ki bawan syakmat ni piang subha bat pila ban keteng laban wan dikindo ya district TV officer ko East Kasi lane ki badai ki district TV officer ki lagi jong ki district bat laban wan sangaru ngadan office ng mo prem te nomor belai hadin ba pila agree kata ngin sa register ki kata ka app ki bikot kan mitra apps te lengba kata ngin sa batay pnia fi kumnu ba pin jingïarap ikitu kinong pang no kini kanong sutrai mita pisa apo gawi ke blok penyerap itu kinong pang tu ke blok kasuk kami gini kita ni lala mande sikwi ru tang bagani ke whole India bat kadang ya mita syat kila bun hingga itu sini ke list bat sebar ke state jengi kipala register
ka reach kuno yini kibri ke basa nang kanong ba bambiang ka surok ka connectivity ka internet ka kano kador kali yarap haluar kan ke
timut ya ka pisah
eme kono jingïarap kinyo jingïarap kibri kumno kiwan sapi la pise pilek kumno sapi
pagi tre kam jong TV nadu nang tay na po Ministry of Health and Family Welfare kawan ke Central TV Division nang kawan ke State TV Cell naga state kawan ke District TV Center naga district ni dan sakta ke TU tuberculosis unit manla ka shilak siteng lane shilak ru kadan kawe ke TU tuberculosis unit manla ka tuberculosis unit nidan ki STLS lesin dai man nidan manla ka TU nidan STS ini udah senior treatment supervisor te kini ki long responsibility to kibriu ki to TU mo te lengba kata nidan sa ki PHC CHC sub center health and wellness center kini kidi kibriu ki ba deal di kibriu ha ki bejaka ba kham kendong bat lengba ka jingïarap jo ki asha ki anganwadi mentale ngisdang ban engage kini ki SSG ru nomor balai ki SSG ni tip ba ki don man la ka yeng ki don email member SSG telada kini ki don lang bat ni kanong jingïarap ka crowd ba ka ba screen ni kinong pang TV tingi dang ye pelong meeting bat ki ngila persang wan training ki ru te kani kanong jingïarap ko te ndre na galyang ban bit ki pat kalailang ba jong ki hagju ka por pat Ladadam kinu bapang TB hapo nong gendong kemat lembah ki asya ni collect example ban milik ra ki transfer example sigi Jakarta MDR TB kiban man ki dawai ki kham khain ki dawai ki kham jenjar bandi sa effect khamdan de na tak tahu kami ke problem tak tahu ni la ngila hi ban penduna ki jingmi jo kini ki MDR TB resistant TB tekan kham sup semua ini pun kini jenjar bang nong bin man ngila i bakam de besuk bandi dawai de ki arsenal penkot you dong pak itu ban penkot jumlah ban suai kumari ki dawai ki dawai ki barem dai hab ai ka kum ka jing ban kam tik patik ni da thobi ka wi to ka khia ka tu di bandi tu khia ka tu di bandi ka tu dai ba suai kumari ki dawai ba yarap ini ki ka social service center apa silok ma pekini ki
tekap no teli ki bala yarap
pi kini hamslam mentah bagi anadu nang long DTO menga hadu mentah kita continue bar ke jing a jo ki ka tu ko por bangadan menga kolong ki ai teng kisam horlik kisam shana sisen sibna ki ai mentah ki tu kin long kita jiet ke kino ki bakham do ki pan nangi ke kino ki bakham jenjar kimla ban ai barakhoi te na kada kada dawan sakmat kum kini kan long kejira ni ke ban kalong attach bat ketu badan ke sibinat mesin kini ke sibinat mesin ni vision me ke sampel pitap hang tu ndai within 1 hour 52 minutes piyo pitip ni nong ngidon tang kawai menta takadaw teng kali Sagaro Hills teng kali Sidantia teng kali Cheribhoy kumta ne takadaw menta nei apo ka jigalam jo mission director ngidang proceed ban ka NEC more of such detail
5 feet ka data dulu ni
ladang iyo atang man lagi district at least ni mamita kani kali ni nang ni kali Sagaro Hills nawan certi kita kala thut nang no dai keleng teh jinjar ha dila dayo man naga district kata kala dai gawai ka solution ina kalian ke TB na kenal ke TB ke dai kan ke maong miti mene ke dai ka notificable disease tekan badai kan notificable disease yang tak ka sarkar ke central TB division kala issue ya kata ke standard TB care of India standard TB care in India kalau ba pimla bagi kulmari gidawa nomor kini jadi kau ada kalak banwan rak penban dia kejing ya ka resistant gidawa sutrai menta bidai bandi santeli tanah kada bonong pang tredi santeli anak lai teli te ka pamla kan mal tu se develop resistant dan takada menta sedang ki simple TB kawan ke MDR TB kawan ke XDR TB menta ka man laki yang jong kini ke state jeng ilese shabar state ru ba nang ba ringkat lang in the tray kam in the tray shitom lang ba nila banyo eta kathong ongno bangin pendu jaj yang kini kejipang TB hagasnyam arja arfusan kata kade kejitmu bakong sane nambar ni sutu ba kolong ke badan kam ban ai gini ke kubor sikipai ba iwei ini bentip yang kini kejipang bat nangno banyo kejingirap temo benikong kipai ba kila tip tang aku ban ongshu ba kejipang TB hi kede kejipang kebala ban penkoi tang ba ke silong no ba hadu mentah ingin badan ki dawai ban penkoi shua ka hendru bana minimum duna ru kade hendru bana hande tala kham system jur le sela bandi dawai hadu khatra bana afo bana ru te nata kadau kede kijing dawai ke bejrong ke sarkar India jungiru kai rap yakinong pang ibapang TB kaya rap kumno benikong ki dawai yo free yo ki dawai menut kam bantiet ke benikong kabar test bun ba pilai kuma example di fil ada pilai ya kene ke tunap test kene ke sibinat test ban lambe ki jingpang TB ada pilai ki private ke songdor ar lai hajar handai nak liang government ni ai free of cost kam dan kam ban CA ru ki dawai yo ki jing test yo bat hakju ke pol ke sarkar India ka airu ya kata ka nutritional support ke bangiong kata ka nutritional support kemut kino bapang TB kitang sure register ya lebih nang ta ki ai ni ya ka bank account detail jengki kandan ka direct transfer ya ka sanspa shibnai shikitu kinong pang TB nadu ba sedang hadu ba takut ke treatment kala benong ribnai kala benong khatramnai akhandai benai arphobnai ru khaban takut ke treatment kinyo ba yitu ka sanspa shibnai hakju ke por marsis dang ru ke sarkar ka ai news